Meet Leo the Lab. He's a brilliant IT bro, but his life, all screens, all day, even during dinner. Eyes tired, mind racing, sleep, a mess. Leo stuck in a tech loop and burning out fast. He tires a 24-hour tech detox. Step 1. Lockout, shutdown, and breathe. Next, a nature walk. No phone, just trees, breeze, and peace. He set screen curfews. No screens after 9 pm. Better sleep, better mornings. Leo now plans tech free weekends. More hobbies, less scroll. Leo smiles, less screen time, more life time. Ready to unblock? Start small.